the road? I don't know, why you cross the road? To get to the other side. That's all. Should've known you were trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? I was in the third grade, I thought that I was gay. Cause I could draw my Uncle Was and I kept my room straight. I told my mom, she's rushing down my face. She's like, Ben, you love girls since before. I just want to see you strip. I'm gonna stop talking. She's having an asthma attack.